Hi guys, welcome to Mighty Machine Masters. Today, you will discover mind-blowing machines that you had no idea existed. Prepare to be stunned as we take a look at the 25 most powerful heavy machines that are on a whole different level. Electric rope shovels. Electric rope shovels are quite mechanical, but they're not entirely mechanical as they depend on electricity a lot. This is quite obvious from their name. Due to the machine's dependence on electricity, it is easier to maintain than lots of other heavy machinery. It was designed to function in tough working conditions and is therefore used in mining sites. The electric rope shovel can be operated really easily, and since it is easy to maintain, you do not have to spend a lot of funds maintaining it. Train track laying machine. All over the world, there's an ever-increasing demand for railway transportation, and train track layout machines are helping railways meet these demands. With a width of 3 meters and a length of 25 meters, these machines come in handy in laying fresh tracks, but that is not all they do. They were designed to handle any task that is associated with railway construction. Beyond digging, shredding, building, and cutting rail tracks, these machines can also be used to service existing tracks. Bergman 3012 DSK. Still in the construction industry, the Bergman 3012 DSK might be a heavy-duty machine. Interestingly, it is as maneuverable and flexible as a heavy construction machine can be. It features very large tires which can make it effective across various terrains. Additionally, it is used to transport as well as unload goods really rapidly. There are several features of this truck that make it special, but one that really stands out is its ability to unload goods in various directions. Also, beyond being used in some construction, it can be used in agriculture. However, it wasn't built to maintain our environment. Refuse Compactor BC 1173 RB5. This machine was built to keep the environment clean, so it has a lot of use in the waste management sector. It has a lot of power, and its huge size was designed to process all types of waste. It weighs 125,000 pounds, so regardless of what the waste being processed is, it can handle it relatively comfortably. Sandvik Ranger DXI series surface drills. This machine is one that you may never completely appreciate if you have no business with drilling. However, folks in the drilling industry know how important it is, as it has completely changed the game in this industry. It is versatile and has a 290-degree rotation, which gives a result that is better than anything you can think of in the drilling industry. This file features several tools that will help you stay very productive. These tools are the CT65 and CT55 rock tools, which guarantee stress-free drilling. Beyond merely drilling, it has data management features that makes it easy to monitor productivity, sustainability, and efficiency. Asphalt Pavers. Asphalt pavers vary in speed and width. Also, they do not work anymore. They function hand in hand with dump trucks which push materials into these pavers. As soon as the paver gets full, it spreads the asphalt across an already prepared surface. And that's not all. As soon as it's finished dispensing, it goes on to flattening it with a hydraulic cylinder. Asphalt pavers are limited to just the construction industry, but this next machine has a variety of uses. Boom lifts. Also known as cherry pickers, boom lifts are used in various industries. However, they're most popular in construction. They function like cranes, but instead of picking up objects, they help workers get to elevated work areas. They come in different sizes and are not limited to lifting just one worker at a time. They can be used to pick up a number of workers at the same time, but the number of workers that can be picked is dependent on the size of the boom lift. Bulldozers. Bulldozers were designed for various types of projects. They feature blades and heavy-duty tracks that can move dirt, snow, sand, debris, and building materials. Drum cutter. The drum cutter primarily functions as an attachment to other machines and is great for surface, concrete wall, and rock profiling. That's not all. It is also used for soft rock excavation, frozen soil excavation, in dredging, and demolition. It comes with many amazing features, and chief among them is its mechanical 360-degree rotatable upper part, which comes in handy in positioning. Hydraulic mining shovels. This machine is quite similar to the electric rope shovel and is mostly used in mining sites. It's used for digging out materials, but that's just one of the things it does. It also comes in handy when moving these materials. It is safe, ergonomic, and easy to use. Wheel tractor scrapers. The wheel tractor scraper is used in scraping and moving dirt. It's basically used in construction. Nonetheless, it is not limited to construction sites. It features a scraper and hopper. These scrapers, which are usually angled and sharp, loosen the dirt to be moved. Once loosened, the hopper collects the dirt with the use of a conveyor belt system. This dirt gets stored in the hopper until it fills it up. At this point, the operator moves it into a dump site or to the point it is needed. Wheel loaders. Speaking of moving dirt, the wheel loader is a machine that can be used to carry out virtually all of your moving needs. It comes with various attachments, and popular among them are cold planers, trenchers, asphalt cutters, snowblows, and stump grinders. That's not all. It comes with wheels that ensure moving it across your worksite is never a challenge. It comes with a front-loading bucket that is used for moving dirt. This next machine is also used for loading materials, but you may never spot one as it is used in the background. Underground mining loader. This machine does exactly what its name says. It functions like a standard mining truck. However, it is slightly different. This machine comes in different sizes when looking to get one. You have to consider the materials you're moving as well as the area of the minimal site. 993K wheel loader. This Max Gym first made it to the construction industry in 2008 and was built to help move materials easily and safely. It comes with a trusted hydraulic system and a powerful engine which helps it lift load as heavy as 125 tons. Beyond being able to lift very heavy materials, this machine offers a good degree of comfort to its operators. Its cabin is comfortable and spacious. For example, operators can do a variety of tasks without feeling uncomfortable. PR766GB. This machine features a sturdy design and a reliable engine. It is a machine that is strongly associated with construction sites and isn't just limited to one function in construction. It can be used to carry out several tasks, and even more interesting is the fact that it can be used on several terrains. Even though the PR766 Bulldozer comes with several features, its flexibility is the most active feature. Chemrock EK140. Unlike several other machines in this video, the Chemrock EK140 doesn't exactly function in isolation. It is basically attached to excavators and other construction materials and comes in handy in demolition and rock cutting. If you made it to this point, kindly subscribe to this video if you're yet to do so. Felix Z Cherry Harvester. Moving from the construction industry straight into the agricultural sector, the Felix Z Cherry Harvester does exactly what its name says. It's a machine built for harvesting cherries. It is super fast and can cover 0.2 to 0.4 hectares in an hour. This makes it a machine you might want to consider getting if you're looking to harvest a large cherry farm. This machine's speed makes it special, but that's just one of its special features. It weighs 1,500 kilograms, and this gives it a lot of stability regardless of what the terrain is. Additionally, it comes with 2 shakers which help get cherries really quickly. The Felix Z Cherry Harvester is an important machine, but it is limited to simply harvesting cherries. But that's not a problem, as there are machines for felling trees, and one of them is the Plymouth Rapid 300R. Plymouth Raptor 300R. This machine comes into the picture for folks looking to clear trees. It features rails which help with its flexibility regardless of what the terrain of the jungle is. So, regardless of how bad the area is, the Plymouth Raptor 300R can get there. Beyond being able to fell trees, it can function with attached tools like basic pruning equipment and tree grinders. These attachments help with dealing with low vegetation, making them more versatile. The Plymouth Raptor 300 is very effective because it functions with attachments, and this is one thing it has in common with the telehandler. Telehandlers. The telehandler is quite like the forklift, but it is a little different. It was made for everyday use, however, that's not all it can do. It can also be used in large warehouses when bulk materials have to be moved. Although this machine might not be the most efficient on a worksite, the fact that it works with attachments makes it a great tool for any worksite. Towable light towers. The towable light tower may not seem like an important piece of machinery until you need to finish up a project and time is not on your side. It is simply a replacement for the sun if you have to work after the sun sets. It comes with vertical beams that have lights attached to them and is connected to either a solar panel or power generator. But that's not all. It can be moved from one worksite to another. Skid steer loader. You can get the skid steer loader in various sizes and also use it for construction, land clearing, excavation, demolition, roadwork, and site cleaning. It is a big asset to workers because it works well with several attachments. Motor graders. Motor graders are quite like bulldozers. They can be rotated and come with a cutting edge on their bottom. Although this machine gets compared to bulldozers, it is a lot more versatile and is frequently used in road work projects. This machine isn't very easy to use. To get the most out of it, you should understand how it works. You probably had no idea motor graders existed, but you most likely knew about this next machine. Forklifts. When looking to move items around a worksite, the forklift is a machine you can rely on. There are several types of forklifts, and the volume and weight of the items you're moving should be considered before settling for any forklift. Excavators. Just like forklifts, excavators are also popular, and you will almost always see one at every construction site. Excavators are adaptable and robust. This makes them perfect for projects of various scales. The excavator features a cabin that is linked to a long arm that extends into a bucket. Draglines. Draglines are so heavy that they never get transported. When needed on a worksite, they have to be moved in parts and are assembled on the worksite. They're basically excavators, but they aren't exactly regulator excavators. They're large-scale machines that come in handy in excavation mining sites. As much as they're used to a lot, they are primarily limited to surface mining. This machine features hoists and drag ropes made out of wires. It also comes with a tall, broad arm. This is where we draw the curtains today. If you enjoyed this video, kindly hit the like and share buttons. Also, please subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this.